right now, inside high-security biotech laboratories that operate completely outside the boundaries of mainstream media, an elite class of wealth creators is funding a revolution that will permanently break the limits of human aging. We aren't talking about standard longevity treatments or cosmetic modifications. These specialized scientists are using advanced 3D bioprinting and stem cell engineering to breed perfect, genetically identical replacement organs in real time. The ultimate ceiling on human life has just been shattered. For the entirety of human history, biological decay has been the great, inescapable equalizer. No matter how much capital, power, or influence an individual accumulated throughout their lifetime, the structural degradation of internal organs meant that a hard biological timeline was absolute. The medical system has always been bottlenecked by a tragic, slow-moving organ donor infrastructure, reliant on accidental deaths, complex compatibility matching, and devastating immune suppression regimes that left patients structurally fragile. That historical limitation has officially expired. By utilizing an individual's own harvested stem cells as a biological ink source, next-generation cellular printers can systematically lay down precise layers of vascularized tissue, reconstructing complex internal organs like kidneys, livers, and cardiac structures with flawless anatomical precision. Because these printed structures are derived directly from the patient's own genetic blueprint, the risk of cellular rejection is completely non-existent. The body accepts the printed organ as entirely organic, allowing an individual to systematically replace aging, degraded internal components with pristine, high-performance biological assets. The societal and ethical implications of this technological leap are profoundly disruptive. We are witnessing the birth of a permanent biological hierarchy. In the initial phases of commercial distribution, access to continuous organ replacement systems will be restricted to the ultra-wealthy class, creating a world where the rich can buy absolute immunity to organ failure and natural age-related decline, while the rest of the population remains bound to the legacy timelines of natural biological degradation. This creates a deep, unprecedented evolutionary divide where wealth directly dictates physical lifespan. But the true optimization happens when you look past basic medical survival and consider the frontier of human enhancement. When you can print biological tissue with total precision, you are no longer limited to replicating basic human anatomy. Scientists are already experimenting with engineered cellular structures that possess enhanced oxygenation capabilities, superior cellular repair rates, and absolute immunity to traditional viral and oncological threats. The boundary between natural human biology and hyper-optimized engineered life is disappearing completely. We are standing at the absolute precipice of the post-human era. The historical concept of aging as a natural, unavoidable law of life is being exposed as a temporary technological limitation. The tools required to achieve total biological immortality and calculated physical optimization are transitioning from advanced science fiction into early clinical reality. The question is no longer whether human lifespan can be extended indefinitely. The question is who will have the capital and the sovereignty to access the upgrade. The biological clock has officially been hacked.